Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with essentials: phone unlocked, mobile data enabled, and a good USB data cable. Once connected to the PC, unlock the phone and swipe down to check the USB connection mode. You want the cable acting as data, not just charging. Then open Settings, go to Wireless and Networks, tap More, and choose Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Make sure you're at that screen before moving on. It prepares the phone to share its cellular link with the computer. Now, enable USB tethering on the phone by flipping the USB tethering switch in the tethering settings. You'll see the status change. If the option is grayed out, change the phone's USB mode to File Transfer, MTP from the notification shade, then return and try again. On your computer, open Network Settings and look for a new USB Ethernet or Remote NDIS adapter. Windows usually auto-installs a driver. Once the adapter appears, the PC should begin routing internet through the phone's mobile data connection. Wrap up by testing the connection. Open a browser on the PC and load a site. Verify the phone shows active mobile data. If nothing works, immediately try a different USB cable and reboot both devices, since many problems are physical or session-related. If the PC never sees an adapter, install Huawei drivers via High Suite or briefly enable USB debugging to help recognition, then disable it. Finally, make sure data limits or carrier restrictions aren't blocking tethering. Contact your carrier if tethering is restricted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.